Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can install Odoo on Windows or set up Odoo on Windows. So let's get right into it. Now, this is going to be for Odoo 18 and I'm going to be using this blog for this because my environment is not set up to support Odoo at the current time. So this is going to be the best that I can do. I hope you guys understand. So I'll be going over all of these steps, explaining everything how it should be done. So let's get right into it. Now, the first step is you need to install Python, which is needed to run Odoo on Windows. So go to the official website and install any Python version that is 3.10 or above. After you download the installer, just open it up, and when prompted, select custom installation so that you can customize the installation fully. And during installation, check the box that's labeled add python 3.xx to path. You're going to need that path file, and once you're done with that, Python should be installed. After that, you're going to need to install PostgreSQL, and for that, you just go to the download page, download the installer for Windows x86-64. This is for 64-bit processors, so you're going to need that, and you also need 64-bit systems, excuse me. But yeah, you're going to need version 13 or later for optimal compatibility. So just download that, launch the launcher or launch the installer, and on select components, ensure all checkboxes are checked. On the password page, provide a super user password that you will remember. This is sort of the key, the master key for the server or the database. Then you need to keep all other settings default and complete the installation. And a stack builder wizard will appear to install additional components, and select all applications within the database drivers category, and then complete the setup. Then you need to configure pgadmin4 and PSQL. So during the PSQL installation, you most likely selected pgadmin4, and what you need to do is open up pgadmin4, expand servers in the Explorer on the left side, and enter your super user password you've set up, and then under servers, expand the Postgres object and find login/group roles. Right click it to create a new role, then provide a name for the role in the general tab, set a password in the definition tab, and then enable all options in the privileges tab to create a master user and save your changes. Then you're going to need to install the C++ kit using Visual Studio Tools. So you can just install it directly from the installer from the page. So just go to their page, download it, and during installation, select desktop development with C++, and then you can download Odoo from GitHub. Just go to GitHub and download Odoo 18. You can download the community or the enterprise version. You can also do this through Git by doing a git clone command on this repository, but you can also do so by just downloading the archive and extracting it to your preferred directory. Then install PyCharm from JetBrains website, and then configure the development environment for PyCharm by opening up PyCharm. Select Open Existing Project, open up the Odoo 18 folder. PyCharm will prompt you to create a virtual environment. Select the base interpreter you want and create the venv. Then create an odoo.config file, and inside that file paste all, or just type in all of this data that you see over here. And once you're done with that, change the DB user and DB password to what you set in Postgre using SQL or using pgadmin. Then set up a Python interpreter by going to settings, project settings, and interpreter, and select the Odoo 18 virtual environment interpreter. Then create the config file to run the instance by selecting edit config under current file, and then use the plus in the top left to add a new config. Then select Python and from the available options, then enter a name for the config. Set the script path to the Odoo bin file, which is located in the directory you've downloaded. Specify the interpreter if it's not already displayed. For working directory, select the extracted folder, and in parameters, enter -c space odoo.conf and click apply, and that should be it. Then you just need to activate the virtual environment and install requirements.txt, and then after installation, run the application and go to localhost :80 8017. I'm pretty sure 8069 or 8096 also works, but use 8017 to set up your database. And then once it's set up, log in using your credentials, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.